Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token price prediction, price analysis. Now, someone just purchased 1 billion coins of Tectonic token. Now, he actually asked the question that with this amount of coin make him a millionaire before the end of 2025. Now, he believed that 1 billion coins is capable of making him a millionaire because so much belief on Tectonic token. Now, I believe that Tectonic token is one of the best small cap coin right now. And for me, at the time of recording this, I think you need $192 in order to buy 1 billion coins of Tectonic token. Now, can this 1 billion coins make someone a millionaire? Remember, you're investing $192. Now, for Tectonic token, yes, it's a great coin. They have a great plan, and I think it's been hosted by Crypto.com. Now, for Tectonic token to really hit, then this coin need to delete a lot of zeros. At the time of recording this, if Tectonic token deletes or hits 10,000%, if the Tonic token hits 10,000% or deleting 2 zeros, then his 1 billion coins that he bought at the rate of $192 will be worth about $19,000. Wow, this is a lot of profit, right? Now, if this coin goes ahead to delete 3 zeros or hit 100,000%, he'll be making about $193,000. That simply means his profit is about $192,808 at the time of recording this if Tectonic token deletes 2 zeros. Okay, now, and he believes he can make millions. He believes he can become a millionaire with Tectonic token, and I don't think it's not going to be easy for Tectonic token to hit it's not going to be easy for Tectonic token to hit almost 1 million%. But according to experts, this coin can delete 2 zeros, this coin can delete 3 zeros. But I think, well, for me, it's still a good profit, even though you end up making $19,000. I mean, that is a lot of profit. There's no investment anywhere that can return such high profits. So I still believe that Tectonic token is one of the best, even though if this coin deletes just 1 zeros, I mean, you'll be making about $1,800 profit, which is still a good profit for me. From an investment of $192 and you're making $1,800. So it's a good investment. So imagine this coin deleting 2-3 zeros or even deleting 4 zeros. That's about $1.9 million. But I don't think this is going to be easy, but anything is possible in the crypto industry. At the time of recording this, Tectonic token is currently trading with about 6 zeros. Let's hope for the best to come, and let's hope that crypto industry will definitely hit it. The crypto industry will definitely pump in the future. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.